Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And in this video I'm going to teach you further about speed optimization. If you are following the playlist, you would know that I have already talked about this compulsory topics, and we are already much into the free plugin section where I'm teaching you how to optimize a WordPress website using free plugins only. And we have already talked about many things such as lazy load, server response time, caching, and optimizing static resources. In this final video of this section only, it's not the final video of this complete playlist, rather it's the final video of the free plugin section. We are going to learn how to asynchronously load JavaScript. Correct. So we'll follow our own as we usually do. We are going to follow our own process. We are going to install the perfect plugin to load asynchronously of JavaScript. And for that, but before that, I'd like to request you to please subscribe to my channel, and please do like and share the video if you are if you are gaining any knowledge about WordPress from it. Also, if you have any doubts, do comment. I usually do reply within a short span of time. So let's go to our WordPress website and let's click on plugins and then click add new. Let's install a new plugin. In this video I'm going to also talk about in the end about some of the page speed score thing. So we'll talk about that at the end of the video. And coming back, let's search for async JS, ASYNC Let's find a perfect plugin for this and scroll down a bit, and we have to install this plugin, Async JavaScript by Frank Gosens. We have already installed one Autoptimize plugin by the same author, so I don't think it would be a problem finding this author or this plugin. So click on install now, and let's activate this plugin, and let's just do the settings. It's a quite simple settings. Let's do the settings properly. I want you to do the settings as I'm showing you in this video, otherwise your site may break. So let's see, either you can go from the plugin itself, go to the settings of the async JavaScript, or you can choose to go from settings and then click on async JavaScript. Both destination will be on the same page. So let's click on settings and let's see the settings of this plugin. So wizard is just for, let's see what is wizard. Wizard is just for connecting GT metrics with our website. We don't want that. I would obviously recommend you to avoid it because I don't trust GT metrics that much. It is not that stable. So let's do the settings for this, first of all, go to quick settings section and click on the last option, that is apply differ jQuery excluded. When you click on it, this should come up, settings saved. And then let's enable async JavaScript. Click on enable. Also enable async JavaScript for logged in users. Yes, if we want that. This is for cart and checkout pages, the last option. If you are using a WooCommerce or some plugin for e-commerce, then you can definitely enable this option. However, after enabling it, what I want you to do is go to your front end of the website and check your website thoroughly. Means you have to check the cart and checkout pages as well. However, since I'm not using WooCommerce, I'll leave it disabled or empty. Let's scroll down below. Since we selected apply differ, this differ option should come as the default. In jQuery option, this has been excluded because jQuery seems when you have to exclude jQuery whenever you are optimizing. But however, I would definitely recommend to go for differ option. Click on differ, and if your website breaks, then you can just go and change this to exclude. However, it is very much recommended to follow my settings, and it will work perfectly for you as well. I hope so. Let's scroll down a bit, and the last option is to plugin auto optimize. Yes, enable auto optimize plugin method, and the auto optimize JavaScript method should be async now, not differ, async. And just click on hit save settings. It says settings are saved. Whenever you are installing a new plugin and doing some settings, what I want you to do is clear the cache of auto optimize plugin, and also purge all purge all caches from the W3 total cache plugin. So let's do that so that all the settings are refreshed, the page is up to the latest settings we have, and go thoroughly to your website and check each and every page. My website works perfectly and seamlessly with my settings, and it should work for you too. However, I do warn you that many themes are different and it may have some negative effect on your website. So what I want you to do is play with the settings something. First option would be to exclude jQuery and then click save settings. If it works, fine and well, otherwise you'll have to play with some more settings as well. However, my site works perfectly, and this is the best setting for this plugin, Async JavaScript plugin. So hopefully you will like it. Now I have tested, after installing the plugin, I have tested my page speed score, and on desktop it shows around 98, and most of the things have been taken care of. However, what I want to tell you about is that don't go for 98 or 100. You'll type in on YouTube how to auto speed optimize, and you'll get so many videos talking about how to get how I got 100 out of 100. Don't go for such videos. What I want you to do, because think it in this way, they are using just to show you that it is their page speed score is 100, because they are using some simple default 2020 theme. And trust me, you are not going to use any of the default 2020 themes of the WordPress. Neither your client would let you do that. So refrain from such videos. It's not going to help you. What I want you to do is this, though it seems very fanciful getting 98 or 99 or 100, what I want you to do is take the opportunities, read about the opportunities, and try adjusting those opportunities in your websites through one or more plugins, and this playlist will obviously be a benchmark for you. So try working on that. Rather, just getting a green tick would suffice for me. I suppose that just getting rather than chasing 100, because you'll not be able to do that, because a lot of it may depend on hosting as well. So what hosting you are in. Trust me, this hosting of digitalshakib.tech is a free hosting, so it doesn't provide any support also. But still, I know it's slow, but still I was able to score around 98 because of the speed optimization process. So just I want you to show that my settings and my speed optimization process is perfectly fine, but it may happen that it may not work that efficiently for your theme or for your website. So don't blame me, rather try to delve deep into why it's going wrong. You can also message me or comment on this video as well. So hopefully you liked my free plugin section. In the next video we are going to talk about a premium plugin, and hopefully you will like that too. So please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification, so whenever I upload new videos, you'll get a notification for that. Thank you so much for watching.